Namaste, dear one. Thank you so much for joining me here today. We're going to share in a meditation for the fifth chakra, the throat center, Vishuddha chakra. So if you can join me by finding a comfortable seat, or maybe you lay back, whatever is working for you today, we'll get comfortable. And let's begin. You might close down through your eyes. Another option, if it feels more relaxing for you, is to simply find a focal point, one unmoving object, and just taking a very soft gaze there. Begin to draw your attention, your awareness to the rhythm of your breath. Noticing, sensing as you breathe. And as you relax your awareness on your breath, you might find that it naturally begins to lengthen and deepen. The breath and awareness of your inner space deepen harmoniously. You might notice that your focus is shifting from the external landscape to this internal landscape right here within your own being. As if the breath is a portal, transports you guiding you to this inner space. And you can feel your body moving with each breath. Sense the gentle expansion, relaxation outward, upward as you breathe in. Relaxation downward, inward. As you breathe out, the body contracts. Just feeling how the breath changes the shape of the body. You might notice the temperature of the breath. Cool inhales, slightly warmer, more humid exhales. Sense the length, the pace of each breath. And maybe you hear the sound. The gentle lullaby, whispering sound of each breath cycle. When we connect with Vishuddha chakra, we connect with themes of sound, vibration, and also silence. Perhaps you sense how this breath awareness connects you to a calm, a quiet within, bringing you back to this. Draw your awareness to the breath flowing in and out of the nostrils. In and out through the sinuses. And finally, Feel the breath flowing in the throat. You might visualize or sense the windpipe. And the breath flows from the throat down and into the heart space. In and out, passing through this channel, this inner portal of the throat. And the throat chakra, Vishuddha, inspires us to speak our truth, to communicate clearly and express ourselves truthfully, authentically. Not only does the throat correspond to speaking and communication, but also listening and speaking and being heard. Creatively expressing yourself. And it relates to the element of space, akasha. You might consider how you can pause in your speaking to give space for someone else to speak. Or how words that are spoken influence the energy of the space around us. And I would love to invite you to use your voice with me today in speaking out 5 affirmations related to Vishuddha chakra. And what you might do is join me in connecting with the breath. And as I'm speaking an affirmation, you can be listening and taking a breath in. And then as you speak the affirmation, let it flow out gently on the exhale. Just as smoothly, softly as you exhale, these words come from your lips and you share them with the space of the outer world. You might just whisper them, or you can say them clearly, just trusting in the reverberation of these positive affirmations. Let's begin. I express my thoughts and feelings with clarity and confidence. Repeating that back. I express my thoughts and feelings with clarity and confidence. My voice is powerful, and what I have to say matters. Repeating that back to me. Let's take a breath. I speak my truth freely with love and compassion. I listen deeply to others and honor their truth. Repeat and take a breath. I am open to creative expression and new ideas. Notice, simply notice how speaking out those positive affirmations, 5 of them for the 5th chakra, sense how this has affected your state of being and the space around you, the space within. You might pick one of those affirmations that really resonated with you and allow it to echo throughout the rest of your day. Let's gather the hands palm to palm at the heart center. Bowing the head down toward the heart. You might imagine a gentle nestling of Vishuddha toward the heart. Take a moment to thank yourself for practicing this meditation, for speaking these positive, compassionate words out into your world. And the throat chakra truly is a portal from the inner to the outer space, into our manifest material world. Our words become our reality. I wish you so much peace, love, and light. When you're ready, you can open through the eyes and come back to your space. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in another practice very soon. Much love.